Hi my little loves, how are you today? Today we're at the Ingalls Garden Center again and I'm getting some plants and we're going to meet a new friend. But first our video scripture. Psalm 103:8. Yahweh is merciful and gracious, slow to anger and plenteous in mercy. I decided I'm going to try to grow Brussels sprouts in a bucket. Is this going to work out, guys? I grabbed some sage and I was thinking about growing a lot of herbs and drying them out. I've never done that before. A lot of this stuff is the first time new, and I'm hoping I have a plan and a bucket list for the next few years for gardening, for canning, just homesteading all in general, and this is baby steps towards that. I've never grown lemon balm or used lemon balm. I got to figure out what that's for. If you're new here, I want to take a moment to welcome you. Please hit that subscribe button and share and put the notification bell on. Welcome to the Lela's Little Weirdo tribe. And my returning weirdos, welcome back, my little weirdos. Y'all know I mean that with love. Y'all are my little loves. Okay, here I go, squirreling off, wandering off. Y'all know how I do, guys. I never realized how much I do this until I started filming videos, my shopping videos for you guys, and now I see the ADHD is like evident. I want to, but I won't.
No, she wants to talk.
Okay, if you don't want her to, I won't do it.
No, you can.
Oh, yes, I love it.
Dodge at you.
Oop, there went my keys.
I'm having to learn some manners because
I understand. That's why I respect it. I had a German Shepherd, so I respect what somebody's trying to train.
Yeah,
Hey, pretty. Can I see you? What's the name?
Waffles.
Waffles. Oh, you are beautiful.
Sit.
How old? You are a pretty girl. What's your Waffles? You already told me your name. You are beautiful.
I'm a good girl. I'm a sweet girl.
My mom always had poodles. She had the little ones, but she loved poodles and Rottweilers. I know.
She's a Labradoodle, actually.
Okay.
She's part lab, but she got all the poodle hair.
Oh, yes, and I love that curly hair. That's gorgeous.
I got the poodle hairs.
It was nice meeting you. Nice meeting you, too.
Thank you.
We don't deserve dogs. That's true. Okay, guys, my video is sort of not like step by step how I shopped. I don't know what happened to it. I actually have a part 1 where I picked out Fabio my lettuce, and then I found this later on, and I'm like, I'm still going to post it and share. You know, I had to because I met Waffles. I had to share Waffles. And so I'm just going to give you what I have. And I ran into Ingalls because this is the Ingalls Garden Center. It's in the parking lot of Ingalls. They just put it up seasonally. I figured I would just show you this, and then I would show you what I got. Went in and grabbed it, Ingalls. And of course I grabbed the rickety cart, and a lot of times I'm so like wrapped up or in my mind, I don't even notice when I have it. Thought about getting some of this cheese of the month, Beemster Royal. Never heard of it though. I decided to pass.
Customer service on sale.
Oh, we made it to my breakfast. This is the breakfast of Lela. This has been my breakfast for 20-some years. I know. And to top it off, where I've moved to, this is very hard to find. It's a regional drink in southern Middle Tennessee, and hard to find in the area I am. There are like a couple of stores, and then a lot of times they don't even have it. So, one of my favorite little treats is cheese, and I shouldn't be buying it because sometimes I don't have self-control with it. Guys, if the volume is going in and out, it's because the store, in just certain pockets of the store, the music was really picking up, and I'm not wanting to hit a copyright claim on YouTube, so that's why I'm cutting the volume down on just the background noise. I wanted to grab a couple of yogurts, and I guess I roughly want to stay under 10 carbs. I don't have it set in stone what, but I just know if you get the keto ones, they're less carb and less sugar. But I also was comparing the price. Some of these were 88 cents, and then the other ones were nearly $2 each, and a dollar matters to me, so I just had to weigh all the options and figure out what was going to work for me. I know the yogurt thing seems like it's dragging out, but it's good to label read, and you'll do that for different purposes. For what are the ingredients, and then if you're watching a certain thing like carbs, fats, and you want more protein, it's good to read your labels. And then, like I mentioned earlier, money is a consideration. We all live on money. It's good, the one place that we need to watch what we spend, especially since, prices of groceries have tripled and quadrupled in the last year and a half, which that's a whole nother topic on its own. But it really has hit me, and I have to watch. I believe they call it inflation and shrinkflation because you're getting less in your packaging for way more money. It costs way more money for you to get it. You know, it's just, there's just no denying it really has impacted me. I felt like I scored on the eggs. They were marked down to 209 and they were free-range brown eggs, and I was snagging those. And also I check to make sure every time that they're not broken.
Ingalls Advantage card now. If you do not have a card, please scan your first item and place it in the bag. Key in item. Weigh your bananas. Move your bananas to the bag.
Ma'am, this is over the barcode, so I don't know if you can punch it in for me. Thank you.
Please scan all coupons. Touch the... Please select your payment.
On the topic of the economy and grocery prices, I was not on this trip, but I was talking to a cashier here at this Ingalls, and we were just, you know, I think somebody was talking about the grocery prices in the line, and she was like, I can't shop here at this store. I actually have to drive. There's a town that's maybe 30 minutes away that has a Save-A-Lot. She actually has to drive there to get her groceries. She can't afford to shop where she works. Okay, my little loves, I appreciate y'all going gallivanting with me. Y'all have a blessed day. Lela out.